All right, so we are at the river this afternoon. We're gonna try to see if we can catch some smallmouth bass or some walleye that are swimming up the river currently. Got just a 4-inch little swim bait on right here, so we'll start with that, see if we can get some fish, and then if not, we'll kind of switch things up to some crankbaits or maybe some other soft plastics. There we go. Oh, it's a nice bass. Try to horse it in. There we go. Choked it. Whew. Sheesh. Nice. Smallmouth bass there. Smallmouth! On the swim bait there. Pretty good. Nice and healthy. Off it goes. Knew that there had to be something here in this slack water. There we go. Oh, shoot. Something just nibbling down there. There we go. Oh my god, what is that? Gotta be something small if it's just nibbling like that. Oh, yeah. Right on the edge there. I don't know if that was the same fish or a different one. Interesting. Not seen a bait like that. If you know what this is, comment down below. A handy bridge people have made. Whew. Deer skull? No, not deer. I don't know what that would be. Maybe a doe. Massive fish skeleton. That, or not. What on earth? There's a pike. And a big one too. I wonder if it got stuck up here or if someone actually caught it. I thought that was a carp at first. A lot of people mistake like common carp and red horse as silver carp or other kind of Asian carp, and they'll bank them because they don't know what they're doing, even though those are important for the ecosystem, the natural ones. So that's what I thought it was at first. I was not expecting to see that pike head. Let's get a trusty crankbait out. Guggen banger, it'll run shallow enough. Don't have to worry about driving it into rocks. I hope this one stays up well okay, because this is my last one on my keys. Casted it towards a rock and just bill snapped right off. Yep. That's that little one that was after the swim bait. Just a small guy. Right in the noggin. Again, healthy fish, just small. What's down here? What is that? I accidentally crossed your line.
Sorry.
No, you're fine. That's my fault.
Retire.
Thank you. I'm sorry about that. That was really nice of him. He could have just taken my bait and walked away. All right. On the other side of the river, got some slack water here. Looks pretty juicy. We'll start again with the crankbait and move from there. I was here 2 weeks ago and absolutely slaying quillback, but not necessarily in the way that you would think. I got one in the mouth, but the rest were all snags on the crankbaits, and several of those I lost. So this is kind of a dangerous area. But there was a red horse that actually went after the lure as well. At least I think it had a good chunk of the lure, or it had like one of the hooks near its mouth. And that's that was a snagged fish. It felt like just like a snag because it felt like wood, and then it swam off and it shook it.